I have a great one for you all today. It is a $500 micro grant. And so if you don't know, my name is Darcy. I help people start and fund businesses to replace their 9-to-5 income. And one of the best ways to fund your business is with free grant money. And if you're wondering, what even is a grant? It is free money or financial assistance given to you by an organization to further their mission or vision. And so these organizations could be the government, a nonprofit, or a corporation. My personal favorite type of grant is a corporate grant because their application is anywhere between 30 to 1 hour and they give a pretty decent amount of money. Oftentimes, corporate grants can range anywhere from $10,000 to $50,000. So there is no better return on your time like you get when you apply to a grant. I want you to have the best chance of winning this $500 grant. And so in order to do that, I have some free things and some paid things. Because we all like free, let me talk about the free things I have for you first. I created a business grant checklist. This is going to walk you step by step on how to create a strong business foundation. It's going to go over things like getting an LLC, a business bank account, and creating an Instagram page. After you have a strong business foundation, I'm going to walk you through step by step the entire grant application process. From finding a grant that is perfect for you and your business all the way until the very end when you're sending the grant sponsor reports because you have successfully won and carried out the project that you included on the grant application. And so if you want to work your way through that entire grant application process, then the business grant checklist is a perfect helper on your business grant journey. Now moving on to the paid resources, I have created the Business Grant Vault. This is your all-in-one place for everything grants. It's going to help you stay organized by giving you one place to put all of your documents and your grant applications. In addition, you're going to have a list of 50 grants that your business can apply for. And what I like about this list of grants versus other lists is that this includes a list of grants that I like to call grant aristocrats, as most of these organizations have given out grants for at least 2 years and are likely to give out grants again. And so if you're interested in that, it will be linked in the description below. I also have a 200+ ChatGPT grant prompt list. This goes over every step of the grant application process. So if you're looking for a little bit more assistance and want to know how you can use AI to your advantage, this is an available resource for you as well. And so now that you have everything you need and you are set up for success to win this grant, let's now go over the grant details. This $500 grant is sponsored by About Her Culture. About Her Culture wants to support African and Caribbean women from around the world. And so some of the ways that this organization helps women is by offering grants throughout the year. So if you don't meet the deadline for this grant, you can apply again because they have multiple opportunities throughout the year for you to win and secure this money. In addition to grants, this organization also provides marketing services. And so if you need some support when it comes to email marketing or building out sales funnels, this is a great organization for you to go to. So when it comes to the requirements to be eligible to apply for this grant, you must be of African or Caribbean descent. That is the only requirement. You could live in the US or you could live in any other country around the world. No matter where you live, if you are a woman of African or Caribbean descent, you qualify for this grant. And so if this grant is perfect for you, you need to apply right now. If it's not right for you, let someone know within your circle of friends or entrepreneurs, as $500 can go a very long way. And as we all know, grants aren't just about the money. It's about the community, it's about the network, and it's about the free training and resources when it comes to the deadline for this grant. Unfortunately, it doesn't clearly mention the deadline on the website. But one thing that you do need to know is that they are going to announce the winner of the grant in June. So you want to make sure that you apply by May 31st so that you know for sure your application will be considered. If by chance you submit it later on, I do want to remind you that they are giving out grants throughout the year, so you likely will have another chance. So make sure to go out and get this free money. Let me know if you have any questions at all. I'd be more than happy to answer them. And make sure to check out this video right here as I walk you through step by step how you can use AI when applying to grants.